So over here, you can see that I got some tasks right here. And let's say what I want to do is assign out due date to the tasks right here. So to do that, you can simply click and then immediately you can go ahead and set it as today right here, or remove it or set to tomorrow right here. What you can also do is, let's say, for example, go to click on date and time and select a particular date right here and set out the time as well, just like this, and press OK right here. And the particular date and time will be selected right here. You can easily change the date right here by going around over here, and you can see that this is what you have. You can actually go around over here onto the date and select out the date as you want as well, just like this. So this is 4 days ago or next right here. So you can see that set a deadline is an option as well. So as you do that, the due date is added in as well. So you got the time for when this is supposed to start. Then you got the due date right here as well. And you can even go ahead and change this out as you want. So this is supposed to start by this date, and now it is due by this date. So you can go ahead and work around with it accordingly. You can change around the start time as you want as well, and change around the due date as well, just like this, to keep track of your task right here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and add out due dates as you want inside of Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.